Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sweta and you're watching Sweta's Beauty Vanity. And if you're someone new here and watching me for the first time, and if you love makeup, beauty, fashion, you are in the right place. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and please be my YouTube family member. So आज के वीडियो में मैं एक haul वीडियो शेयर करूँगी and by the title you already knew that it would be Nykaa sale haul. Nykaa में recently sale चल रहा था, so I purchased a few makeup and skincare products, but take a note that all the products which I'm gonna share with you guys I haven't purchased in one go. सेल से पहले भी मैंने कुछ products मैंने खरीदा है, so सब कुछ मैं इस वीडियो में मैं शेयर करूँगी. So it would be kind of combined haul video with mini reviews. So guys, if you want to know about all the products then please बने रहिए मेरे चैनल पे and please वीडियो को इन तक देखते रहिए. And if you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share this video and share my channel with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So guys, चलो start करते हैं आज की वीडियो. So guys, the very first product which I'm gonna share with you guys is Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation. So this is how the outer packaging looks. As I am in India, I wanted to try more and more Indian makeup and skincare brand, and I wanted to try this product out for a long time because I got so many good reviews about this product from my other bloggers friends and from YouTube and from Instagram. So yeah, I really love this product guys. I already used twice. I used it in my previous makeup tutorial as well. If you missed that, I'll be linking the video above in the card और नीचे description box में भी आपको मिल जाएगा, तो देख लेना. बट डेफिनेटली आफ्टर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो में मुझे कुछ डिस्काउंट नहीं मिला है, बट नो रिग्रेट क्योंकि इसकी जो क्वालिटी है आई रियली लव. आई मीन द शेड वार्म सैंड 03 exactly matches my skin tone. I really love the travel friendly sleek packaging. And now talk about this product little bit. I really love the finishing of this foundation. It gives a natural buildable look and you definitely you can layer it up. उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाता है और इसकी जो लास्टिंग पावर है I really love it. If you are a dry skin girl and you are looking for a good budget friendly foundation, I do recommend this foundation to you guys. I really love this foundation and I'm giving it 5 out of 5. I'm a big fan of Mamaearth product now. I already use their few hair care and skincare products. So when there was a sale on Nykaa, I was looking for क्या offer है Mamaearth में. So there was a offer कि अगर आप 800 रुपीज़ के product आप खरीद रहे हो Mamaearth के, तो you can get 2 Mamaearth full size product free. I think it's a still deal. It's called Upton face mask. So this is how the outer box looks and it contains 100 ml of product and it retails for $4.99. How the tub looks like, it contains saffron, turmeric and apricot oil and it is for skin lightening and brightening. Recently I am suffering from acne and acne scarring, so I was looking for a good face mask for acne scarring problem. So मुझे लगा कि I should try this out. So let's try out. मैंने एक ही बार मैंने ये try किया है after purchasing it, but I cannot tell my honest review based on one use. At least मुझे 15-20 days तक ये use करना है, इसके बाद मैं बोल सकती हूँ इसके बारे में. And I generally share my honest review on my Instagram. So if you are not following me there, please do follow. I have really high hope on this product. So let's see how it works. So guys, this is the product looks like from inside. It's a gooey like texture and it's something looks like a real Upton face mask. जो ये थर्ड प्रोडक्ट है ये अभी Mamaearth से है, Mamaearth अंडर आई क्रीम विथ कुकुम्बर एंड कॉफ़ी. इसके बारे में मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकती हूँ क्योंकि अभी तक इसकी पैकेजिंग मैंने ओपन नहीं किया है. इट रिटेल्स फॉर $5.99 एंड इट कंटेंट्स 50 ml ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. एक्चुअली जो आई क्रीम मैं यूज़ कर रही थी वो ख़त्म हो चुका है एंड आई वांटेड टू बाई वन, सो मैंने ये ख़रीदा है. If you want to know details about this product, आपको मेरे चैनल पे रहना पड़ेगा क्योंकि शायद मैं यहाँ पे या इंस्टाग्राम में मैं शेयर करूँ इसकी रिव्यू. Got this 2 face wash from Mamaearth complimentary. Used this face wash once. Before using this face mask, I washed my face with this face wash and ये जो रिजल्ट था आफ्टर यूजिंग बोथ ऑफ देम, इट वाज माइंड ब्लोइंग। तो 7 प्रोडक्ट मुझे कम्प्लीमेंट्री मिला है, वो है मामा चारकोल फेस वॉश। सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स। इट कंटेन्स 100 ml ऑफ प्रोडक्ट और इट रिटेल्स फॉर 249। अभी तक मैंने इसका पैकेजिंग भी मैंने नहीं ओपन किया है। स्मेल लाइक अदर चारकोल स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट एंड कंसिस्टेंसी इज लाइक दिस और ब्लैक कलर की है एज यू कैन सी। एंड मैं इसकी जो टेक्सचर है वो दिखाना भूल गई थी। मामा टी ट्री फेस वॉश, ये ट्रांसपेरेंट है देखने में। आई रियली डोंट लाइक द स्मेल ऑनेस्टली। So this is the consistency, guys. And if you are a old subscriber of my channel, you know how much I love lipstick. So these are the lipstick I have been purchasing since last 2 months. So now let's talk about one by one. So guys, recently Lakme launched their liquid lip color. It's called Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. So this is how it looks. And this is the hand swatch, guys. Although it looks little different under the ring light, lip color which I have on my lips right now is this one. So guys, this is how it looks without ring light. It's a kind of, you know, purple undertone mauve color. The color is really good. So yeah, now you can see the difference. मैं अभी ज़्यादा इसके बारे में नहीं बता रही हूँ. I have a content in my mind as I also bought Maybelline liquid lipstick which was also a new launch. तो मैं इन दोनों का साइड बाय साइड रिव्यू करूँगी, कंपैरिजन टाइप ऑफ वीडियो करूँगी एक. तो मैं इसके बारे में अभी ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं बताऊँगी, बट या आई रियली लव द कलर. इट हैज़ n number of colors in this range and the price of this product is 295 and it contains how much product it contains. I'm not sure because I cannot see the product quantity, but if I find anywhere I'll be mentioning in the screen. So guys, please देख लेना. And the shade is 13 nude pink. So guys, it's also a new launch and it is from Maybelline. It's called what it's called, Maybelline Color Sensational Liquid Matte. This is the packaging looks, and let me swatch it for you guys. So it's a pure blood red color. मैंने अभी तक इसको मैंने नहीं अप्लाई किया है अपने लिप पे, so I cannot tell about this lipstick, the texture or anything. So this is how it looks. It retails for 349, I guess. Yes, it retails for 349 and it contains 7 ml of product. So guys, stay tuned for the detailed review. Last month I purchased these two Maybelline lipstick as well. These are the lip crayons and it's called Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. Guys, I have 55 Make It Happen and Live on Edge with me. So this is 55 Make It Happen and this is 05 Live on Edge. I have a detailed review, as I said earlier. I have a detailed review about this two crayons. So if you miss that, you can check my I button and description box में भी link मैं separately दे दूँगी. You can definitely check this out. I'm a big fan of lip crayons because they are long lasting, they are very comfortable to wear, and I love the color payoff of the most of the lip crayons. So I purchased Nykaa Delicious lip crayons in the shade Twilight Dreams, I guess. Yes, Twilight Dreams 13. So this is how it looks. इसमें कुछ ऑफर चल रहा था, डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस और ओरिजिनल प्राइस स्क्रीन में मेंशन होगा, प्लीज़ देख लेना. So this is how this looks, guys. This is the shade. Basically, I got a request from one of my YouTube friend that I should do a comparison video of lip crayons available in Indian market. Basically for that I purchased it. So yes, मैं बहुत जल्दी एक कंपैरिजन वीडियो डालूंगी अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे अबाउट quality or about affordable lip crayons available on Nykaa or Indian market. So stay tuned, guys. And guys, now the next product is this contour product from Sugar Cosmetics. The shade name is Top Topper. I really love this sleek packaging of Sugar Cosmetics products. So this is how the product looks from inside. I used it in my previous tutorial as well. इसकी जो finishing है बहुत ही natural contouring look देता है and it's really easy to apply, easy to carry. I really recommend this product if you are looking for a good contour product. You can good powder contour product, you can purchase it. So guys, the next product is lip liner from Nykaa. I also got a good review about this lip liner, so I bought it. It's called Nykaa Lips Don't Lie Line and Fill Up Lip Liner. It is in the shade Chocolate Boy, and this is the swatch, guys. This is the swatch. It's absolutely a nude color. I'm liking this color already from the swatching, and I got a discount on this product. It retails for 350 और मुझे 298 में मिला है. अभी देखना है कि how it works on my lips. And guys, now this eyebrow pencil, it's a miracle eyebrow pencil. It's so affordable. It's from Miss Claire and it is called Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil. It is in the shade dark brown, जो अभी मेरे eyebrow पे है. मैं जो प्रीवियस मेरा ट्यूटोरियल था उसमें मैंने ट्राई किया था, आप देख सकते हो फ्रॉम द ट्यूटोरियल कि हाउ इट वर्कड ऑन माय आईब्रो. आई रियली लव एंड रिकमेंड दिस आईब्रो पेंसिल एवरीवन आउट देयर हु आर बिगिनर, हु आर प्रोफेशनल, क्योंकि इतने कम प्राइस में इतना अच्छा इसका क्वालिटी है, इसका अच्छा इसका फिनिशिंग है. एंड इसके साथ साथ यू कैन गेट अ स्पूली टाइप ऑफ और स्मजिंग ब्रश टाइप ऑफ थिंग हेयर विद दिस eyebrow pencil. It cost only 75 rupees. 75 rupees में ये जो परफॉर्मेंस देता है ना, I really love it. So I highly recommend this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. Guys, मैंने कभी आई पैच अपने लाइफ में यूज़ नहीं किया है, so I wanted to try it once and I bought this collagen eye patch. So this is how it looks. मैं अभी तो ये ओपन नहीं कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि अभी मैं ट्राई नहीं करूँगी. It retails for 100 rupees. I think इसमें सिर्फ 2 पैचेस ही है. तो इसके बारे में डिटेल जो रिव्यू होगा मैं इंस्टाग्राम में डाल दूँगी, आप लोग चेक कर सकते हो इंस्टाग्राम से. I have a few sheet mask from the brand The Face Shop. I am a huge fan of Face Shop sheet mask, so I have 3 variation from their range. This one with rice extract, so this is how it looks. Solution brightening face mask, and this one is with lemon extract. It retails 100 rupees each. If you're going for a party look and if you want some extra glow to your face, I do recommend this face mask to use before applying your foundation. बहुत ही अच्छा एक brightening effect आता है, so you definitely can try this sheet mask if you want to. ये वीडियो बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म होने वाला है, मुझे सिर्फ और 2 प्रोडक्ट आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना है. मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट एंड दिस इज अगेन अ स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट. इट इज़ Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. This is how the tub looks like. एंड ये मैंने रिपब्लिक डे सेल में नहीं ख़रीदा था, मैंने इससे पहले ख़रीदा था, बट ये मुझे डिस्काउंट में मिला था. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड गाइज. आई हैव यूज इट 2-3 times already, and after using this mask I can say that I am not a big fan of this mask. I have suffering acne and acne scarring problem lately, so यही सोच के मैंने ये ख़रीदा था, but it didn't work on my skin. Firstly, it has very strong smell. I don't like this type of skincare product which has strong artificial fragrances. It has that type of fragrance which I really don't like. Secondly, after using this product, my skin feels really dry. I am a dry skin girl. This is for oily, pimple prone skin. And I do not recommend this product if you have over dry sensitive skin. Let me know your thoughts about this product if you are using it, but no, it is not for my skin. Now let's talk about the last product and finish up the video. So I purchased this V wash intimate wash. आज इससे पहले या जब मैं इंडिया में थी मैं ये प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रही थी और रिसेंटली जो मैं यूज़ कर रही थी वो ख़त्म हो चुका था और इसमें बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट चल रहा था तो मैंने ये ख़रीद लिया है. It enriched with sea buckthorn oil or tea tree oil. If I pronounce it wrong, please माफ़ कर देना मुझे. It contains 100 ml of product और इट रिटेल्स फॉर 180 रुपीज़। मुझे डिस्काउंट में मिला था, डिस्काउंट प्राइस स्क्रीन में मेंशन है। एंड मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में। इट्स अ रियली गुड ऑप्शन। आई डू रिकमेंड दिस प्रोडक्ट गाइस। if you looking for intimate wash, you can try this product out. So guys, this is my entire haul video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to purchase any of these products, you can definitely refer my description box below. I'll be sharing all the product links in my description box below, so you can check it out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it. Share my channel with your friends and family. I'll be back here soon with another exciting video next week. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay healthy. Bye bye.